safe and sound. No one can touch my future scooter money. Time to ride! 1 scooter, please. 100,000 rupees, right? But I didn't lose any notes. Where did my money's power go?
Your money didn't shrink, little monkey. The invisible thief called inflation ate its power. In Pakistan, things cost more over time. If inflation is 15%, your hidden money loses that amount. So my bet is destroying my wealth. What do I do? You don't hide it, my friend. You make it work.
I put my money in a mutual fund. It grew while I slept, beating the inflation thief. A mutual.
What? What?
Is it magic? Asset management companies regulated by SECP pool money to buy stocks and bonds. Safe, legal, and smart.
Or you could just give it to me. I'd double it in a week. Crypto meme coins, baby.
Beware of unregulated promises. TSX and SECP approved funds are no shortcuts. I'm putting my money to work the right way.
Don't let inflation eat your savings. Hit subscribe for our next PSX adventure.